Hi guys, it's me, Ari. I'm back. Just wanted to share with you my planner layout for the month of August. So if you want to see more, please continue to watch.
Don't take it personal.
How y'all doing? How is everyone doing today? I'm doing well. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to become a go-getter. Okay, you need to have multiple steps. The first thing you need to have is nails. All go-getters have extremely long nails. This is the longest that they had at Family Dollar. I couldn't go any longer, but like all of them, long nails. Watch all them entrepreneur videos. Half of them got long nails on. The second tip, all right. Second tip is to have printables. August printables. This is what our theme is for the month. Hence why we're doing it. We're doing it big. Money baby. So, but no, on a serious note, let me take off these glasses. The key to being productive is to really manage your time and being able to track your time. Management is key. Having clear sets of priorities is also very important, and just following through on those priorities. What I like to do in reality is write everything I have to. I can't see my eye holes. What I like to do in reality is write down all my clear goals and everything. Clear goals, write them down, track them, like bullet journal style, which is why I thought, you know what, today would be a perfect opportunity to do a bullet journal. Like, why not? It's needed. Okay, and as you can see behind me, can you see behind me? I actually have two blackboards. One's for daily notes, and the other one is for monthly notes. The blackboard is cute. The whiteboard has it more sense. I also made my print really big too by accident, so I just took it up there because we don't waste paper around here. But anyway. And going back to the first task, which is long nail / self-care, it's really important to take some time to really like pamper yourself and to just feel good about yourself. It just benefit you in the long run, and it just adds to your mental positivity. So go get up. I thought if I could just be honest with you for just a brief second to all my millions of followers out there. The reason why I wanted to do her is because you ever been jealous of all those girls out there who are just able to go about their business and get what they have to do done? I feel like this is my symbol for them. They eat candy and they make money at the same time. And that's what I want to be able to do. I want to be able to drink coffee and make money at the same time. You know what I mean? So people say it's not all about the money, but you do want to get a little compensation for all the work you put out there. And I think that at the end of the day, that's fair. It really is. That's how this painting / markup came to fruition, because we're going to be all about the money, baby. The existential money, the symbolic money, and the real money. Paper is paper, and we want it, okay? So for the past couple of weeks, I've been having, business calls, you never had, like, when you're starting out with a new venture, you want to have somebody who understands you, because you go through a lot, So I've been talking to a friend of mine about, starting YouTube and doing all this stuff. And so when we talk, she's always talking to me about how I should keep in mind my own health in this whole process, in terms of, like, making sure I get my sleep and, you know, staying healthy, but also keeping focused on all the stuff that I have to do. So that's really the reasons why I'm doing like this planner. Just so, not even just the planner, but like I want, if anybody's watching, I think I want the main takeaways of this video to be that anytime, like, you're gonna have a strong will to do something, and that something's gonna be very important to you, and because of that, you're gonna want to put your all into it, and after a while, eventually you're gonna get burned out. I think I've been on the verge of burning out for a while now, but I'm used to that kind of life. I'm used to the burnout lifestyle. I sound like I do drugs, but no, I'm just used to it. So I feel like I'm managing the way I would naturally, which is to say I become nocturnal. Instead of going to bed at night, I go to bed in the day, or I have very little sleep, and now I'm becoming sleep deprived. So that's why I was like, you know what, guys, let me come up with a message for other people who are trying to start something, especially during like this time where we have more free time than we would ever get in our lives. You know, you want to stay up late and do all this other stuff, just because you have to do it, especially when you're starting something new. You have to have a foundation, and that foundation requires you to not go to bed or to stay up late and make sure your task is finished. And while that's admirable and stuff like that, we have to remember that, quarantine life is not going to be forever. Eventually we will have to go back outside in whatever form or fashion, and because of that, we don't know how this whole thing, we're not going to know how to balance the life we built up during quarantine versus the life we're going to have to start maintaining afterwards. I went to work for like 2 days, right? And in those 2 days, I could not do any of my side projects because I came home tired, because it was like 90 degrees outside. It was disgusting. It was hot. I was sweating all the time. It was gross. So because of that, I was like, how am I going to, balance everything out? So I don't know how I'm gonna balance everything out regardless. But the things that I'm telling you guys to do is the things that I'm trying to do, which is the whole time management stuff. I think that's the only thing I can really fall back on is time management. So if you're trying to be a go-getter, like I am trying to be a go-getter for this month, let's all, increasing our productivity by scheduling the things we have to do and setting clear goals for each day, month, and year. If you made it this far, I want to say thank you for watching, and make sure to make your own bed for this month, okay? Make sure that you set out clear goals for yourself, and that, you follow through on them. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't burn up in the morning, let it take. Inhale and let it out like reservations. Exhale and breathe, I'm praying for some patience. Proceed, I think I might, I think I'm as a kite. Don't call me